News 5 Investigates has learned a Colorado Springs teacher is named in a civil lawsuit in Wisconsin filed in late June. It claims as a school principal at a Catholic school, she failed to report a teacher who was later convicted of sexual abuse on a child. News 5's investigative reporter Allison Zimmerman shares more.
According to the school's website, Susan Booth teaches at Eagle View Middle School in Academy District 20. But before she started working in Colorado Springs, she was a principal at a Catholic school in Wisconsin. A civil lawsuit against the school claims she failed to report sexual abuse after parents brought it to her attention, despite being a mandatory reporter. We should note, Booth has not been charged or convicted of any crime. This is a civil case, but the claims involve an educator who was legally required to report suspected abuse. Susan Booth was not available to talk to us Monday morning. We've been trying to get a hold of her since Wednesday of last week. We did learn she has an attorney, and her family gave us his contact information, who told us simply she's not named as a defendant and denies the allegations. This civil lawsuit in Wisconsin claims while she was the principal of the St. Matthias School in Milwaukee, she failed to report complaints from parents about a teacher inappropriately touching students during private tutoring sessions in 2013. The lawsuit claims parents informed Booth and she did not investigate or report it. It also claims a parish director reported misconduct to Booth after seeing the same teacher tutoring a student in the church basement with the door closed. The lawsuit says no investigation or other meaningful action followed. That teacher is Kevin Bulow, who is now serving a 26-year prison sentence after being convicted of sexually assaulting students at the school and another school he worked at after he was employed at St. Matthias. Booth started working in Colorado Springs 7 years ago. We reached out to the district, who said in part they're aware of the lawsuit and are investigating internally, and they do not comment about internal employee matters publicly, saying given the suit does not pertain to any matters that took place in Academy District 20, nor during any employee's tenure with the district, it would not be appropriate to offer further comments. We also reached out to the victim's attorney who filed this civil lawsuit and have not heard back. We'll follow up when we do. I also reached out to St. Matthias School, who told me they cannot comment on pending litigation in response to asking if the school fired Booth or if she left on her own terms. Booth's employment application to District 20 says she left her job in Wisconsin specifically to move to Colorado Springs.